My name is Margaret Wong. Again, thanks so much for watching my series. I'm going to go through some basics of profiling. Immigration work, there's a lot of profiling. There are two types of people in America. You have citizens, you have aliens. Two types of non-citizens, which are aliens. You have legal immigrant green card aliens, or you have illegal, undocumented, no papers aliens, all right? So how do you become undocumented? I came as a green card from Vietnam when I was very young. I got into trouble in Canada. Actually, it's a true case with some drugs because you have to remember in the 70s, Vietnam War in 74, 76. So a lot of Vietnamese came to the West because of the war. A lot of these young people came, they had green cards. So if I go to Canada, I had trouble with drugs because Canada, a little weed. But now I come back to America, immigration found out I had a little bit of problem with my drugs. Now they took away my green card. These are all true cases, a lot of cases like this. So now I lost my deportation case, I became undocumented. But I never left America. In those days, they really don't deport because America needs workers, America was growing until the Big Depression in the 80s. Now they're trying to deport me or to remove me. What do I do? So these are people who became criminal aliens who lose their green card. Can I reopen the case? Can I vacate the case? But it happened in Canada. How could I vacate? Because in Canada, it's easy to get a governor's pardon, so they have no more criminal record. So in Canada, they really have no criminal record. In America, a governor's pardon from Canada doesn't mean nothing. That's how a legal immigrant became illegal or undocumented. But how do I become undocumented through the years? I was 6 years old. I came to America with my auntie and uncle. So now I'm 41 years old. I still have no papers. In the meantime, I went back and forth. That case, I have illegal entry, I have perm bar, I have expeditious removal, and I have children born in America. These are practically impossible cases, but I personally believe it's still possible because it's our job as immigration lawyers to see how can we help people like them because they have no criminal records. Under prior administration, these people probably would not be deported. They all come and go. There's a wedding, they go back. Oh, they come back. And then there's another funeral, they go back. And that's why it helps us to go to law school because the law profession teaches how to think. And so you use your paper, you use a pencil, you write down the profile of the client. Two types of people, citizens of America and non-citizens. Two types of non-citizens, legal aliens or illegal aliens. Legal aliens also include people who are here validly on a tourist visa. How do I become illegal? After I came as a tourist visa, I worked illegally and immigration got me. Then I have to go into deportation proceedings, but I have not been adjudicated deportable yet. So I'm in a gray area. That's how I become illegal. I should not be going to jail because I'm still in immigration proceedings. Just like in criminal law, I'm not a criminal until I'm guilty. I either plead guilty or I go to a jury to say I'm guilty. In immigration law, the judge tells me if I'm guilty or not. So it's really not criminal, it's civil. That's why the practice of immigration law is a lot of fun. In later series, I'll go into specific how do you fight what type of cases, for who and for what, and how to win cases.